Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Soqala ngoSaleng imovie yakhe ukuya kuSundowns ukuthi iPirates ithole malini, iluze kanjani, and then-ke sokhuluma ngoRadio Pane, sikhulume noMudiba ukuthi mekhuluma nemedia utheni uthi Orlando Pirates banika inkinga of the problem ngoba ba-highly competitive manje abafana. USaleng kama-reports bafethu aphumayo ukuthi Orlando Pirates got just over 10 million rands ngoSaleng ukuthi bakwazi ukumthengisa laphana, right? It's a cool amount, 10 million. But mawubheka ukuthi uSaleng bekakhosta malini around 2023-2024 la bekayi-hot property khona, Orlando Pirates could have easily sold him more than 30 million rands. But Orlando Pirates, they decided that time ukuthi uSaleng is not for sale. And uSaleng ngabe waziyela abroad or different parts of the world ngendaba yokudlala ibhola. But Orlando Pirates, then they were not willing to sell. Kanti bebangenza imali serious ngoSaleng then. Only for ukuthi kuqale lama-complications la ukuthi uSaleng astop ukujima ne-Orlando Pirates ukuze ejimini noma ukureport ejimini because of he was not happy ne-Orlando Pirates then. But-ke yini light at the end of the tunnel ukuthi uSaleng ukwazile ukuyithola imove ukuthi aye ku-Sundowns. Ne-Orlando Pirates ekugcineni ikwazile ukukesha in. At the same time esayidini le-Orlando Pirates bafethu singasho ukuthi Orlando Pirates, to be honest, imnikile uSaleng i-platform before i-Orlando Pirates bedlalela i-Free State Stars laphana ku-National First Division. So Free State Stars ayikho i-platform ezokunika yona because baningi abadlali abasuper talented but-ke abangawathola ama-opportunities. Opportunity yangempela uyithola ku-Big 3, i-team enkulu umhlaba wonke ukubhekile. Because of nabantu ba-overseas bakubhekile because of i-Big 3, especially Orlando Pirates ne-Sundowns badlala u-CAF Champions League isikhathi esiningi. So it makes sense ukuthi abadlali abafana noSaleng ba-attract i-interest kuma-Arab countries, boma UAE, Saudi Arabia, boma Al Ahly, uSaleng befunwa lapho, but Orlando Pirates then yathi no. But-ke I'm glad ukuthi yonke lento chaotic between i-Pirates, Saleng seyiphelile. Because of it was not good for Orlando Pirates ukuthi babe noSaleng but bazi kahle kamhlophe ukuthi uSaleng ngeke asadlala ngaphinda adlale Orlando Pirates, but they wanted to cash in because of uSaleng. Ithi ngingasho lento le ngoba bazothi ngikhiphe indaba zabo ezipersonal abanye abantu aba-involve kubo yonke lento le, but we're keeping it just nje for uSaleng nama-teams involved khona kodwa ngoba khona izinto ezisensitive ezinye abantu abangakhulumi nanokukhuluma ngazo. Nami mangizizwa nama-journalist studio ngiyazithulela or nginabantu aba-in power ku-South African football. But yeah, congratulations to uSaleng nge-big move yakhe ku-Sundowns. At the same time Orlando Pirates ba-business minded, they knew ukuthi they wanted to cash in because of uSaleng bamthola umuntu nje onormal edlala laphana ku-Free State Stars, then bakwazi ukushintsha impilo yakhe uSaleng. Then bambona ku-Moroka Swallows kulabo uya khona. Orlando Pirates phela uSaleng uqala ukuduma 2022 late if not 2023 lapho kuphela uqala ukuduma lapho eshisa kakhulu for Orlando Pirates. But-ke then ngeke ngasho ukuthi indaba yokuthi ufuna ama-team kube nama-reports and then indaba zifike kuwe iya-complicate, at the same time iyaku-frustrate. But I think aba-players kumele, as much as ngiwa-protect ama-player, mina ngiyohlezi ngi-protect ama-player than i-team i-Orlando Pirates or i-Sundowns. Why? Because of i-Sundowns yoba khona in the next 50 years, whereas umdlali uthola i-career yakhe iba boma 10 years. It's very rare ukuthi umuntu ashise boma 5 years. So when you are a hot property, ukhona i-deal ezo times i-salary yakho enyanga times 10, I think teams have to let you go ngoba i-distraction ngeke ikusebenzele ngempela bafowethu. Why? Une-player li-distracted ukuthi uliholela 50,000, une-team ethi wena woza sokunika 500,000 plus ne-signing fee ama-millions. But I mean at ekugcineni bowu-2 ama-teams, I think i-Orlando Pirates i-benefitile akufani. Obviously akusiyimali serious lesi according to Orlando Pirates, akusiyimali serious to be fair, but at least bathole something from ukuthi bamthathe ku-Free State Stars and then abe yilento ayiyo namhlanje u-South African football. Ezinye ey'phumayo uMike Makhaba ilona mani ubani i-agent laka-Radio Pane, u-Radio Man olaphana ku-Orlando Pirates, umdlalo ongaqalanga isizini kahle, uthe i-Orlando Pirates isamfuna lo mdlali lona, so bazomtshela yena ulinde i-Orlando Pirates ukuthi isho ukuthi okay umdlali u-available uyahamba or kanjani noma sikhipha bomawathi ngalo mdlali lona bafuthu. But as things stand Mike Makhaba uthi umfana ukhona laphana ku-Orlando Pirates, abakamtsheli lutho yena as umuntu orepresent umfana. I understand nebethi ubani ulo uRadio Pane ku-Orlando Pirates basamdinga cause of ngike ngakhuluma ngaye ensukwini ukuthi uyakwazi ukuholda ibhola kahle, uhlakaniphile, but in terms of like converting the chances or aziphosishine kahle laphana phambili yinkinga yakhe nje kuphela. Nanokuthi akusiyi striker umuntu ongathi angaba powerful as u-number 10, not as a striker. He's not a bad player, but-ke as i-striker ngake washaya amagoli for Orlando Pirates. Phela ku-Pirates bakudlalisa amagame awu-2 awu-3, if uyafeyila khona you're not even showing ama-signs ukuthi ungawashaya amagoli or kuya ngokuthi ucoach ukudingelani, ukudingela ukuthi ushaya amagoli clean or udinga ukuthi mhlampe ube yi-second striker, ube laphana as i-second striker, right? U-Red Man angakwazi ukuba yi-false number 9 babe no-Evidence Makgopa or babe noMbuthuma laphana phambili, but sobona ukuthi indaba yomdlalo ukuthi izophelela kuphi. Then asingeneni kulokhunjana kuModiba, iplayer le-Sundowns, melikhuluma ne-media laphana ku-draw ye-Nedbank Cup. Mekhuluma ubuzwe nje ngoSaleng immediately ukuthi Skipper Mawathi nanokuthi ufila kanjani nge-signing yakaSaleng. Uthe for bona i-signing egudi kakhulu, umdlalo osezingeni eliphezulu kakhulu, uyalazi iquality lakaSaleng nanokuthi uzokwazi ukusiza ithimu. Nanokuthi-ke uthe bona bayafuna ukuyiwina i-Nedbank Cup, bafuna ukwenza better than last season, so ukuthi baye ku-final possibly bayiwine, bazozama. Uyazi ukuthi kuzoba tough u-Nedbank Cup ukuthi bakompithe, but-ke bazozama ukuthi bayithole i-Nedbank Cup. Menshina lesi-Orlando Pirates, uthe Orlando Pirates yenza kahle kakhulu laphana elikini, ine-squad esi-right, futhi isayina ama-players agudi kakhulu. So uyasho ukuthi ukuchase i-Orlando Pirates nezinye izinto kuzoba nzima, but uyasho ukuthi bazozama bona eziMamelodi Sundowns ukumake sure ukuthi bayayiwina i-league. Mekhuluma-ke ngeGomora United le abazodlala nayo, utheni lama-teams lawa amancane unpredictable, obvious. You never know ukuthi uzodlala nani or uzohlangabezana nani against lawo ma-teams lawo, because of abaziwa abafana bafuna ukuwuprove ebholeni lase-South Africa, bafuna ukuzi-establisha. So umenshine nje konke lokho. I mean it's the reality. Sometimes in-Nedbank Cup, not even sometimes, at times they make ama-superstars laphana ku-Nedbank Cup, right? They do, they make ama-stars, abantu abavela njenge-Nedbank Cup, leya cup competition, bakwazi ukusayinwa ama-big teams. Baningi abantu abake bavela ku-Nedbank Cup, ine-initiative nje yaku-Nedbank Cup. So yeah, uthe against i-Orbit College bafuna ukucollecta bona 3 points. Obviously-ke kumele bazame ukucloser igap laphana Orlando Pirates njengoba iya-leader laphana. So yeah, i-2-man race so far the way ngiyibona ngakhona, but uthe ujabulele nje ukuthi ama-team amaningi aya-improve laphana elikini, kusho ukuthi i-competition izoba right kakhulu. But yeah, it's gonna be tough for wonke ama-teams are-involved. I see abantu abaningi bebakhuluma nge-Orlando Pirates, but Orlando Pirates izokwazi ukumaintaina, uku-attack-a, ukukora amagoli, ukuthi ngeke batatazele njengoba kusele last 15 games or okay, ngiyazi ukuthi i-Orlando Pirates akuselanga 15 games, kusasela ama-games nje, think baku-13 games or so if angilenzi iphutha, meaning that i-second half of the season bazoyiqala for bona official after sebadlale 2 games, futhi bane-game in hand. So konke vele kulele ku-Orlando Pirates if bayadropha, but kusazodlalwa amagame amaningi kakhulu bafethu ku-Betway Premiership. I think it's too early, but sobona njengoba ngishilo ngithi advantage Orlando Pirates iya-leader. If abayiwini this season angeke baphinde bayiwini, ngeke uyigeje kanje i-league. Unama-top quality players, well, it's okay. Mangithi njengoba ngithi ngeke baphinde bayiwina, ngichaza ukuthi